Hey there, welcome back. Imagine stepping out onto your balcony, rooftop or small backyard, and picking your own fresh vegetables and herbs. Sounds impossible in the middle of a city, right? Well, today I'm going to show you that it's not only possible, it's easier than you think. This video is all about urban farming made easy, and how you can grow fresh, healthy food right at home. For more detailed guides and step-by-step tutorials, visit www.mydagrifarm.com, your trusted space for urban farming resources. The rise of urban farming. Urban farming is more than just a trend. It's a movement. With food prices rising and health concerns growing, people are turning balconies, rooftops, and patios into mini farms. The best part: you don't need acres of land. You only need creativity, a little knowledge, and the right setup to start producing fresh food in the city. Tip 1. Start small and smart. If you're a beginner, don't overwhelm yourself by planting everything at once. Start with easy crops like lettuce, spinach, basil, or cherry tomatoes. These grow quickly, don't require much space, and give you the satisfaction of a fast harvest. Once you gain confidence, you can expand to cucumbers, peppers, or even root veggies in containers. Tip 2. Use vertical space. In cities, space is limited, so think vertically. Install wall planters, hanging baskets, or even DIY SHVES for your plants. Crops like beans, peas, and cucumbers thrive when trained to climb. Vertical gardening not only saves space but also adds greenery and beauty to your living area. Tip 3. Choose the right containers. Container gardening is the backbone of urban farming. Use pots, buckets, or raised beds. Just make sure they have proper drainage. Root depth matters too. Leafy greens thrive in shallow pots, while root vegetables need deeper containers. Recycled materials like wooden crates or old tubs can also work perfectly. 4. Healthy soil, healthy plants. Soil is the lifeline of your mini farm. Use a good quality potting mix enriched with compost for nutrients. Healthy soil holds moisture well, drains properly, and supports plant growth. Remember, take care of the soil, and the soil takes care of you. Tip 5. Water wisely. Urban farmers often overwater their plants. Instead, water deeply but less frequently, encouraging roots to grow strong. Morning is the best time to water, as it reduces evaporation and keeps plants hydrated throughout the day. A drip irrigation system can make things even easier. Tip 6. Grow herbs for everyday use. Herbs are every urban farmer's best friend. Basil, cilantro, parsley, mint, and thyme don't need much space, but they add amazing flavor to your meals. Snip them fresh from your balcony and instantly elevate your cooking. Tip 7. Rooftop and balcony farming. If you have access to a rooftop, that's a game changer. Rooftop gardens provide larger growing areas, better sunlight, and cooler environments for plants on balconies. Choose lightweight containers and movable pots that can be adjusted to catch sunlight throughout the day. Tip 8. Compost your kitchen waste. Urban farming doesn't stop at growing. You can create a mini compost system right at home. Collect vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and fruit scraps to create rich organic fertilizer for your plants. Not only does this reduce kitchen waste, but it also gives your crops the natural boost they need. If you're looking for more step-by-step tips on soil containers and crop planting, check out www.mydagrifarm.com, a one-stop guide for urban farmers and small garden growers. Tip 9. Microgreens and quick wins. One of the fastest and healthiest crops you can grow in an urban setting is microgreens. They sprout in just 7 to 14 days and are packed with nutrients. A small tray on your windowsill can supply you with constant salads and smoothie boosters. Tip 10. Harvest and enjoy. The most rewarding part of urban farming is harvesting. Snip fresh lettuce for a sandwich, pick ripe tomatoes for your salad, or add freshly cut basil to your pasta. But you also enjoy food that's fresher and more nutritious than anything you'd buy at the store. Urban farming isn't just about food, it's about lifestyle. It reduces stress, reconnects you with nature, and makes your meals healthier. Plus, it's sustainable by growing your own food. You reduce packaging waste, carbon footprints, and reliance on supermarkets. Remember, you don't need a farm to grow your food. You just need a little space and the willingness to start. Every plant you grow is a step toward healthier living and a greener city. Thanks for joining me today. If this video gave you the push to start your own urban garden, hit the like button, subscribe for more easy farming tips, and share this with friends who'd love to grow their own food. Until next time, happy planting and enjoy your fresh homegrown harvest.